Hello, welcome to the Data Analytics with Excel Lab. Today I'm going to explain the ninth program. Create a worksheet with following fields: employee name, basic pay, traveling allowance and year-end allowance, house rent allowance, income tax, provident fund, net pay. Use the approximate formula to calculate the above scenario. Analyze the data using the appropriate charts and reports the data. Open the Microsoft Excel. So this is our data. So employee number, employee name, and the employee basic pay. First, we have to find the traveling allowance. The basic pay of the employee is greater than or equal to 20,000. Give 20% from his or her basic pay, and other else. Basic pay is greater than or equal to 15,000. Give 15%, else give 10% for his or her basic pay. The formula for traveling allowance equals if, open the brace, basic pay greater than or equal to 20,000, comma, give 20% discount into 20%, comma, if basic pay greater than equal to 15,000, give give discount as 15%, comma, other else give 10%. Close the braces, enter. %. So this is our traveling allowance. So drag the formula to all the cells. Next, we have to find the Dearness allowance. If the basic pay of the employee is greater than or equal to 20,000, give 25% from his or basic pay. Other else, basic pay is greater than or equal to 15,000, give 20%, else 15% for his or basic pay. So we have to apply formula for Dearness allowance equals if, close the bracket, basic pay greater than equal to 25,000, 20,000, greater than or equal to 20,000, give 20%, 25% discount, 25% discount, and if basic pay greater than or equals if, open the brace, basic pay greater than equal to 20,000, give the 20%, 25% discount if basic pay is greater than equal to 15,000, give the 20% discount. If other else, basic pay is 15%, close the braces, enter. So this is our Dearness allowance, and drag the formula to all the cells. Next, we have to find the house rent allowance. To calculate the HRA, give 10% to each employee. So equals basic pay into 10%. So this is our house rent allowance. Drag the formula to all the cells. Next, provident fund. To calculate the PF, give 7% for each employee. PF equal to basic pay into 7% equals basic pay into 7%. So drag the formula to all the cells. Next, we have to find the net pay. To calculate the net pay, sum of all the basic pay, traveling allowance, dearness allowance, house rent allowance, and subtracted by the PF. So here is the formula for net pay equals basic pay plus traveling allowance plus dearness allowance plus house rent allowance plus house rent allowance minus PF. So this is our net pay. Enter. So drag the formula to all the cells. Next we have to find the annual salary. To find the find IT first. First to find the IT first, we need to calculate the annual salary. Annual salary equal to basic pay into 12 equals basic pay into 12 months. Enter. This is our annual salary. Drag the formula to all the cells. Finally, last we have to find the income tax. So if annual salary is greater than 50,000, it then have to pay 20% of IT, other else pay 10%. So formula for income tax equals, if open the brace, annual salary greater than 50,000, comma, annual salary into 20%, comma, annual salary into 10%. Close the brace, enter. So this is our IT. Drag the formula to all the cells. Next, we have to, data is analyzed by using the column chart. We have to analyze this by chart. Select all the data. What we are, apply the formula for this. Then go to insert. Then go to insert. Select the chart. So this is what we are reporting and analyzing the data. Here we can see the salary and the salary of employee number, employee name, basic pay, HRA, and annual salary of each employee. In the graph we can see. So this is our 9th program explanation. Thank you.